Hello, welcome to this set of videos on past CSEC math exam papers. Yes, many students have been asking for this type of or this set of videos which shows live on your screen solutions to past exam questions. In this set of videos, I'll give you step-by-step explanations of the solutions to the problems that came in January 2007. Yes, we are dealing with the CSEC exam that came in January 2007. We first start with section 1, and I'll take you through the question step by step. Now, understanding of the concepts, the principles, and the problem-solving strategies is only one click away. When you click on a video, plays video, and as it said, if a picture is worth 1,000 words, a video lesson is worth 100 books, because it gives you dynamic information with colorful, engaging illustrations of the solution steps to the many problems that you will be encountering in your next exam. You'll be able to accelerate your learning very fast. Think of the set of videos that you're about to see as the vaccine against the COVID-19 school lockdown, where you weren't able to get instructions. Now you can do so at home. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, more than 1/3 of the world is staying at home. Students around the world at primary schools, secondary schools, universities, and colleges are staying at home and have to learn at home. You too can join them and learn using the solutions that are being presented here. Now, you learn through engaging images, such as, for example, this word cloud. In subsequent videos, you'll be able to see the animation of this video on YouTube. I'll give you the link. You'll be able to see it live. The word cloud is a cluster of words, keywords, and phrases that are relevant to the topic you're studying. For example, you're studying CSEC math or mathematics, so you'll see the different methods and strategies and so on. It's dynamic, interactive, multimedia e-learning, DIME. Now, in the next video, we'll look at the first problem that we'll be solving, step by step. Enjoy.